Hayden, what is this?
I'm the food person, Mom.
What is this that you made?
He get this, and he thinks it's not food.
What is this that you made, Hayden?
Yeah, it's food.
Huh?
Our tunnel for
It's your tunnel for what?
selling free food. Boo.
For selling what?
Free food. Selling toys.
Look at me. Look at me. Thomas. Thomas.
Thomas, stop.
Look at Mama.
Thomas thinks it's not food. And it is, Mom. I want to play in here.
Hi. Hi.
He didn't make anything, and he's just getting into where I get in.
Well, it's because he loves you.
He's the one that... Hey.
Oh, sweet. You want to be with you, Hayden.
Stop it, Thomas. We're not going to get customers if you just sit here. Fine, you do the food.